Hi, I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your questions. I'm here with attorney Sam Radner from Heyman Law Firm. Hi, Sam. Thanks so much for joining us.
Hello, Jordan. It's great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Okay, so Frank ask the attorney. I was severely injured in a motorcycle accident last week, and I'm supposed to be released from the hospital today. Needless to say, my bills are going to be huge, but the person who hit me only has minimum insurance. What are my options?
We deal with this question on a daily basis, Jordan, for sure. I've helped many thousands of motorcyclists in Massachusetts deal with the coordination of health insurance benefits with motorcycle insurance benefits and liability coverage. So there is a very firm process, and we assist everybody with that. The first step is we have to write to your motorcycle insurer and find out if you have something called medical payments coverage. Prior to 2018, medical payments coverage was primary to pay all medical bills first from a motorcycle accident. Now it's secondary to all health insurances, but it can be used to step in and pay for like co-payments, deductible amounts that are left over from your health insurance. So what we do is we get that information, we send that information with your health insurance information to all your medical providers with instructions on how to get the bills paid. And in that way, the bills get processed, and at the end of the case, you're not left with anything out of pocket, as long as everything is you're treating in plan and everything's being paid for within your plan. And then when you go after the other person and you recover something from the other person, your health insurance may be seeking a right to be reimbursed from that settlement, the amount that they paid towards your bills. Very often, we are able to negotiate reductions, in most cases, reductions of that claim, so that there's a fair split of the settlement proceeds. And that's how it works, and that's how we help people every day.
And as it gets warmer and more people are probably going to be outside, out on the roadways, what type of coverage would you recommend?
That's easy. The number one coverage is underinsured motorist coverage for motorcyclists in Massachusetts. The law allows you to get $250,000 in underinsured motorist coverage. It steps in when the other person's coverage is inadequate and insufficient to fully compensate you. So it's a huge protection for you and your family.
All right. Well, thank you so much for such great information and advice. And to ask the attorney your question, you can either call 1-800-HEYMAN or you can email asktheattorney@heymanlaw.com.